Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to do a quick video using this Trader Joe's Ube Mochi pancake and waffle mix. This product came out maybe a month ago or so and it's been super popular. They have it as a pancake mix and as an ice cream. The ice cream isn't a vegan option. The pancake mix itself is, but once you add like the eggs, obviously it's no longer going to be a vegan product. So I wanted to use the pancake mix and do something different with it. So today I'm turning it into a bundt cake. So it's going to be a Ube Mochi bundt cake with vanilla ice cream. So it's really easy. You probably already have all the ingredients in your cupboard and fridge currently. So just stay tuned to watch the rest of the video and I'll show you how to turn this mix into this beautiful bundt cake with vanilla ice cream. Alright guys, so for this bundt cake I was able to use a lot of the ingredients from Trader Joe's. So we have the ube mix. We're going to use 1 cup of that, 1 cup of flour, 2 teaspoons of baking powder. You're going to need half a cup of sugar, 1/3 a cup of vegetable oil, and in lieu of an egg we're going to use 3 tablespoons of applesauce. This cake will definitely hit your sweet tooth. It's nice and chewy. It goes really well with Trader Joe's vanilla vegan ice cream. And it's yum. I like it served warm. You can serve it cold with ice cream. But either way, you're going to enjoy it. So thanks for watching, guys.